Hey friends, happy Friday. Welcome to TriBecca Designs. My name is Rebecca and I love to sew. I love to upcycle. I love to design. I love to refashion. I love to make. Like many of you, I love to create. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Welcome to Friday Sews. It's another beautiful Friday. It's been overcast here all day, but the sun has finally made its debut. And I'm glad because I needed a second wind to get this video going. But without further ado, I want to talk to you guys about what I've been working on, what I've completed, and life. So first and foremost, this hashtag SewFrugal23 challenge, sewing challenge, has been phenomenal. Videos have been just popping up all over the place. Everybody's showing off their beautiful makes. I love this challenge because I am so frugal, maybe much to my detriment. And the three main criteria, as many of you already know, for this challenge was to make something using fabric from your current stash, meaning don't go out and buy a new piece of fabric for this make. Use a free pattern. And what was the third one? Okay, now I remember. Make your garment during the month of March. Today is March 31st, the last day in March. And I just literally got off the machine finishing my garment. I didn't even start until Monday, maybe Tuesday, earlier this week. I didn't announce that I was going to do this challenge because I didn't know for sure if I was going to be able to participate. I had a lot of things on my plate this week, and I don't like to say I'm going to do stuff this month, I should say. And I don't like to say I'm going to do stuff and then don't deliver, so I didn't say anything. I kept it quiet, but I got finished. I just completed this, and I'm so happy. And of course, you'll need to, the other criteria was to post pictures of your make on Instagram and tag the creators of this challenge, which are Sam, and I think her Instagram handle is frugalissima. Frugalissima, yes. Link in the description box. And Ruanne, the Yorkshire girl. They're both here on YouTube and on Instagram. Their links to their channels will also be in the description box below. Thank you guys for this awesome challenge. It's really popular. I've been looking at all the makes and oh my God, they're just snowballing in all the images on Instagram. So this is what I love about online sewing communities. I'm still feeling like I'm new to all this and I'm learning so much, and everyone is just so kind and willing to share their sewing knowledge. And I'm learning stuff. You know, I've been sewing for decades and I'm learning things that I didn't even know. I'm going to be just completely transparent with you all. I have never used a pattern from the internet except for a mask pattern. You know, when we had the pandemic breakout, I just went out and found a mask pattern really quick online. That is the only pattern. I've never downloaded a PDF. I've never printed one on my computer, any of that. So I came across another YouTuber called What Beck Sews. Hey, Beck. And I had to check out her channel because, okay, I'm Beck, she's Beck, duh. But anyway, she had a fantastic video that she did where she shared 13 free pattern downloads. And oh my gosh, she has some choices that I really want to get into. I'm going to do a separate video where I share some of those choices. I want to wait until I do the downloads and get a little bit of that experience and, you know, make them and, you know, do a whole like review on that experience since it's something I've never done before. But if you want to check out her recommendations, the link below to her video is in the description box. Please subscribe to all these channels. All of these are amazing seamstress, sewists, sew sisters, whatever. All of that. And who else I wanted to give a shout out to? Oh yes. So on What Beck Sews, she mentioned another YouTuber. Oh man, I'm just discovering stuff all week, called The Crafty Pie. And she talked about possibly doing a sheer dress based on the tutorial that this young lady had created. So I went down the rabbit hole and looked at her two-piece. Actually, I looked at maybe like 3 of her videos, but she did a 2-piece shirred ensemble, the little halter top and a beautiful skirt. And then she has shirred dress tutorials on her channel. Again, link in the description box. Y'all go look, because another amazing discovery for me during this whole process. And I'm so excited because this just it just gives me like even more soy momentum. What was I going to say? Anyway, I don't know. I lost my thought. I get carried away sometimes. Visions of fashions are dancing in my head. But after I watched her video, I was like, okay, boom, I'm going to make this shirred dress, skirt, something shirred, because I've never used shearing, never done shearing by, hold on. I've never done shearing where you load this elastic thread in the bobbin and use this method. I've been sewing for decades and I ain't never, ever, excuse my English, I said ain't, never ever done that. And so I was just so thrilled when I did it because the results were like, ooh la la, magnifique. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm kind of hooked on shearing right now and I want to do more. And so that is the garment or the technique for the garment that I use for this project. No pattern required for her tutorial. And of course, I had a thrifted bed sheet that I picked up early in January that was perfect for this challenge. And oh my God, anyway, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Like I said, I just finished it. Had to run out and grab some really thin elastic for the top, and you'll see in a minute. But I haven't had time to model this. I don't feel like fixing my hair and doing makeup. It's Friday. I'm ready to chill and watch movies with the hubs. So forgive me for not giving you guys a better model of it, but I'm going to show it to you. It's over here on my new dress form, which I did come up with a name for her. Her name is Princess, because every time I just put a garment on her, to me, she just looks like a little princess. And the name is also really fitting because Wendy and Lisa over here were inspired by Wendy and Lisa from Prince's band back in the 80s. Used to love me some Prince. I mean, who didn't? And so since I got Wendy and Lisa, now I got Princess. Love it, love it, love it. So Princess is going to model this make for you guys. I do want to give one more YouTube shout out. There was another very inspirational YouTuber called Foresee Love. Excuse me, I had to look at my paper. F-O-R-E-S-E-E Love. She did a shirred bodycon dress tutorial. And the way she did the top inspired my make. Now, I didn't do mine exactly like hers, but let me just show it to you. So here it is. And I just love it. I love this fabric. I paid like $5 for this sheet. It was a flat sheet that I purchased from the thrift store. And with what I spent on the other $2, this make was a $7 make. It's still a little too chilly here for me to go prancing outside in this comfortably, but I cannot wait, do you hear me, until it gets warm enough for me to go. I'm going to prance in this one, y'all. I haven't made anything in a long time that just gave me this feeling. I love all my makes, but it's something about the freshness of this that just makes me feel so feminine and youthful. And oh, I cannot wait. I have a special place I'm going to wear this and model for you guys, and I cannot wait to show you that. But in the meantime, thank you guys for checking this out, for clicking on this video. Thank you for all of your support. I do have another make I want to share with you guys that I completed earlier this week. Hold on. This is my quilted vest upcycle that I talked about doing last Friday. Please, please, please go and watch that video, you guys. Please. I mean, I know upcycling is not for everyone, but this one was so easy. You may be inspired. And in order for you to get the full view of how awesome this is, you have to look at the video. Just let it play. Go get something to drink. Go fix your food. Just kind of, glance up every now and then. It's all good, boo. Just let it laugh at my, I did a little moonwalk space dance on there. I had fun. I had too much fun with that. But yeah, if you guys will watch that video, I would certainly appreciate it. Much love. That video needs a little bit of love right now. But, so yeah, this is a really great upcycle for spring. And okay, so your girl got it bad, right? Like I said, let me just bring it down a notch. The dress that I made, that I just showed you guys, a two-piece dress is what I'm calling it, skirt and blouse. I was so inspired by that when I went out today to pick up the elastic to put around the off-the-shoulder portion of it, I got greedy and I said, let me go back over to the thrift shop and see if I can find another lovely sheet so I can make another one. Oh God, I am so greedy. And, okay, of course I didn't want a sheet that looked similar to that one. I wanted a different sheet so I could get a different look. Maybe make a maxi length skirt or a full one-piece dress with just the straps and not the poofy sleeves. Anyway, I'm going to have to make another one, but look at the fabric. I just picked this up today. And this fabric is so similar. Let me get a scrap of the other one. Okay, here's a leftover piece of the one I just made. And then here is this other sheet. I'm like, that's too close. It looks, I mean, look, the pinks and the greens are the same hue and everything. It's just that the background on this one is more of an, I think that's more like a grayish, a gray beige, really light. Girl, but you know what? Somebody's gonna want that, and when I wear it, I'm gonna be like, okay, boo, I already got another one made. You want to buy it? Boom, come on, let's get it. So, and you might want to buy it. Hey, anyway, you'll probably want to make one for yourself. But if you haven't tried shearing, definitely check out those videos. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on it as well. Don't know when, but it's coming. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Happy Friday. I'm going to chill. Love you. Bye.